So what should be on a vision board that you're going to create for 2022? That's the most searched question that I've seen on Google and on YouTube, and a lot of people are asking that. So I'm going to cover what should you include in your 2022 vision board. Maybe you're watching this somewhere down in the future, so make sure to include these things, and there are 3 points that I'm going to cover with you. Point number 1 is make sure to include things that you want, and they're going to go around your goals. It can be your short term goals and it can be your long term goals. And your short term goals should be around your things that you want, things that you desire, things that you want to. It can be economic goals, it can be personal goals, it can be lifestyle goals, it can be travel goals, it can be health goals, relationship goals, experiences, anything that you want to buy, anything that you want to give. So make sure to include those things into your short term goals as well as long term goals. That's very, very important. So, and the next thing that you want to include in your vision board is to include the things that you want to manifest. So the number one thing that I've seen people do is they try to create a vision board by simply picking out pictures that they want to add to a vision board just for the sake of creating a vision board. It's not a really good idea. So if you create a vision board that in the first place, I want you to add things that will help you achieve your goals or will help you manifest those things, because once you add them to your vision board, you'll be able to grow. Take a look at the things that you have added onto your vision board and actually help you look for opportunities, or those kind of things will start coming your way. You're going to attract them into your life. So make sure to include the things that you want to manifest. So, and the third thing that I want you to include into your vision board are your big outrageous goals. These kind of goals are really impossible to pull off. So why adding them to your vision board is going to help you a lot, because adding things that are really out of your league, things that you want to achieve, and things that other people say are really difficult to manifest or pull off in the real world, try to add them. Once you add them, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube who have achieved really phenomenal in short span of time by just adding outrageous goals to their vision board. So make sure to add outrageous goals, like things that you want to buy, like an expensive car, or maybe buy a home, really a penthouse, or things of that nature. So go check out the link in the description. I've created vision board mini course. It's going to help you cover 5 areas of life that you must have and tackle, and actually it will help you achieve these core areas of life and move your life in a different way. So check out the vision board mini course. Inside that course, I've covered in 7 different modules how to tackle and overcome and actually achieve 5 different areas of life that you must take into consideration when trying to create a vision board. It's covered over 7 different modules, and there are 5 different bonuses that I have for you inside. And if you are the first 500 people, you'll be able to not only go through the course, but you'll also get lifetime access, as well as you'll get the opportunity to get your vision board featured on the sales page, which will lead to a lot of opportunities coming your way. Maybe someone connecting in social media, maybe someone will be a business partner, or maybe someone you'll get to know what they need if they reach out to you. Just by having your vision board on a sales page, it's going to manifest a lot. Check it out. It's really affordable. You can't miss it out, because once you have a vision board that actually works for you, you'll be coming back to me and thanking me for helping you, teach you how to create a vision board that actually works. It helps you manifest the big outrageous goals that I've mentioned in point number 3 in this video. So go check it out. So this is how you create a 2022 vision board. Let me recap it for you. Make sure to include your short-term goals, things that you want, things that you desire, anything around health, wealth, relationship, lifestyle, travel, experiences, anything else that you want to buy. Maybe it can be luxurious things. It can be even a laptop that you want to order. It can be a new phone. It can be new clothes. It can be a new relationship. Anything that you want to include, make sure to include short-term goals as well as long-term goals. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is make sure to include the things that you want to manifest. So things that you want to manifest can be things that you may think they are possible and are within your reach. Make sure to include them. So we'll talk about manifestation in another video, but make sure to include the things that you want to manifest. You can look up other videos on my channel that will talk about manifestation, or can be about creating vision board. Check them out. And next thing that I want you to include, the third thing that I want you to include on a vision board are your big outrageous goals. Your big outrageous goals will help you achieve really impossible things that you want to achieve in your life. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube who have achieved big things in their life, and that was because they have created a vision board. Adding those pictures, they have set up an intention of manifesting those things, and they've really pulled off the impossible. So if you want to be among the leagues, check out the course, and you can always ask me questions by commenting below, or maybe even signing up to the course. And after you sign up to the course, I can even help you create and pick out pictures that actually represent the life that you want. So check out the vision board mini course. It's really affordable, and I just can't wait to help you and even feature you on the sales page. So check it out. It's going to save you a lot of time doing trial and error on your own. It's going to help you build a life that you love, things that life that you dream and desire. There's nothing impossible that you can't pull off when you have a vision board that speaks to 5 areas of your life that are specifically covered inside the course. So I hope I have answered the question of how to create a vision board that actually works and that you can use this year, maybe this year in 2022, maybe you're watching this in the future. So go check out the link in the description. It's my vision board mini course. If you do not find the link, please shoot me an email or send me a message on social media, and comment below. I'll get in touch with you. So have a great day.